ಜಾರಿ ದಾನವ ವೈರಿ ಶ್ರೀ.
ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ರತ್ನವರಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ರವರಿಂದ.
ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲರ ಸಂಘದ ಈ ದಿನ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಮುನರತ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಈ ಸಭೆಯ ಚರ್ಚಾ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾರು
ಹೊಸ ಸಾಲದ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಮರುಪಾವತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
In Indian context, there is a myth within the banks where people feel that person with disability cannot be a productive. They are not capable to take credits and set up their business and repay it back. So still that is there. So they have been discriminated to access this financial service to set up their own income generation or activities. So all this were in our mind. Then we felt, why can't we set up our own cooperative society or a bank where we can rotate the money, our own money within ourselves, and let the benefit be within ourselves, not the money to go out of our community. So we thought, let us federate these self-help groups as one group, and there should be a representatives from each panchayat, so that the leadership from the panchayats comes and then it goes back to the grassroots level to reach to the individuals also. And we have elected board members from the panchayats. They come together. So every 15 days this board members meet together, and their main objective is to see that how people can be economically become independent. The first main objective is that, as well as their other objectives are see to that all the children in the village should access education, and more is related to how do we come out of the poverty.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮನೋಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು SSLC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 450 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪಾಸಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸೇರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನನಗೆ ಹಣ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ, ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ ಸಂಘ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ,
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. SSLC ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಈಗ ನಿನ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ ಸಂಘ ಮತ್ತು ಚೇತನ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟದಿಂದ ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ
ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಚೆಕ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
See, many people think just gloriously they take the loan, but they may not be capable to repay it. So as a responsible people, we should not just give money. We need to really analyze whether the person can use this money in a right way. And from the village level, the request comes for the credit if they wanted to set up a business and all. So there are a lot of process to go in. It goes to the self-help group, the request. From the self-help group, it gets recommended to the cooperative society, and the board members in the cooperative society scrutinize the application. And we also have a loan committee group which visits the family to see whether the application is right or wrong. So now the panchayat really understand the needs of person with disability and their rights as rights.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ತೀರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು.
So they try to ensure that everybody access those rights in a proper way.